So this next exercise, because we see that this ground clearly is not very fertile. It's not growing anything right here, right now. So we're going to do what's called the sprinkler laughter. So we're going to put our hands together like this, and we're going to make ourselves as if we're those lawn sprinklers that rotate from one side to the other. So we're going to go like this. We're going to go. And then we do the other side. And then we do both sides. And then we're going to remove the nozzle. We're going to have a water fight with our friends. Very good. Yay! Very good. Very good. Yay! And now that the ground is growing again, let's just reach down and pick up a flower. Taking a deep breath. And share it with your friends. And now it turns out we're all allergic and we're sneezing. Very good, yay! Very good, yay! And stretching out, and letting it out with a big sigh. One more time, reaching out, taking a deep breath in, and just letting it out with a choke. All right, and just one more where we are finding that just like the allergy attack has kind of drained ourselves a little bit, and now maybe we took like a Benadryl or something like that, and we've fallen asleep. We're sleepwalking now, and we're snoring. Very good, yay! Very good, yay! Thanks for watching, everybody. We'll have another video tomorrow.
All right. Be happy.